Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the 4-port USB in pink. Okay, so on the front you can see that it has 4 USB type A's and two 13 amp sockets on the front there. So it's basically like getting 6 products in one. Alright, let's grab our scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, so inside each bag, you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. First, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, start off with a 360 view. Okay, and then let's get that plate off for installation. It's very simple. Grab at the edges with your fingertips and push forward with your palm. Repeat the process on the other side and it pops off nice and easy just like that. Okay, at the side here is where your screw holes are. So you want to put the screws through there and fasten it to your pattress box. Okay, flipping it on over, you'll notice that it's BS and CE certified. Also, you'll notice that you need to do a bridging system here, which is very common in Europe, so you can get the full power to the USBs. Okay, flipping it on over to its side, you'll notice that you'll need at least a 47mm depth pattress box, so you can have enough room to fit your USBs and your wires in there as well. Okay. The cool thing about these guys is, let's say you got your house redecorated, and now the sockets and switches don't match the wall anymore. Not a problem. You can get one of our plates, pop it on just like that, and now you match. All right, let's get this one off. Put that one back on. Just like that. Okay, and then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet. Okay, on the one side, you'll have a whole bunch of social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. On the other side is multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. Also in the bottom right-hand corner here, you'll see a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay. Finally, let's take a quick look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, down here is our SKU code, the ART-SKT213USBPK for pink. You have our barcode there. And in the top left-hand corner here, you have another QR code, which if you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website. And you can see your full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice in the bottom right-hand corner here, you have the recycling symbol. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we like to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and make sure that bell notification is turned on to stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching. Have a trendy day.